Si Jake and si Bernie, they're gonna help me build my desktop.
500 gig na NVMe, dun yung OS tsaka yung apps. Tapos yung 2 terabyte, dun yung cold storage. Pero yung mga kunyari, like editing pa lang, may SATA drive ka nakita ko eh. Dun ilalagay yung files na galing sa...
5 terabytes yung drive mo mga yan.
Pero pwede yung gawin, i-RAID 1 yung, parang yung dalawang drive, magiging as 1 siya, para pag nag-fail yung isa, nandun pa rin yung data mo.
Semento kasi pa rin ito eh. Medyo baka ma-break yung PC mo, sayang.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
My brand new car, my brand new car.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
My brand new car, my brand new car.
Gonna show you how the shifter feels, cause tonight is the night that we make it real. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
My brand new car, my brand new car.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
You won't get far. My brand new car.
Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car.
You won't get far. My brand new car.
You better hold on to the leather and thread, cause we're gonna take off like a thoroughbred. Gonna take you for a ride in my brand new car. Look at the stars, know they're shining bright. The moon is full, so it's a perfect night. Give me a kiss and close the door, cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for. Look at the stars, how they shine so bright. The moon is full, it makes a perfect night. So come along and close the door, cause tonight is the night that we've been waiting for.
Having a neat and organized workplace makes me more productive. Since moving out of my family home, I have had to prioritize both productivity and good rest as part of being independent.
I get so lonesome without you.
It's essential for me to keep my home cozy because when my space is untidy, I feel like my life is also a mess. You know that feeling na parang ang gulo-gulo ng buhay mo kapag ang gulo rin ng bahay mo? That's how I feel. Pag maayos lahat, my thoughts and the things that I have to do feel more organized. By keeping my small home tidy, I feel more in control. I feel like I can better manage my life. Because you know, this house is my sanctuary. That's why I make sure it feels that way.
Mga narinig ko sa kanila.
Oh, I wanna watch How I Met Your Mother again.
Yeah. They have nice OSTs too. I love How I Met Your Mother, but I don't like the ending. Just like Friends. I love Friends, but I don't like the ending.
Try to make you mad at me over the phone.
Golden days drifting far away. Light is leaving town. Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while.
One, two, three, four, five. Five.
I'm winning. You're
1 out of 5. Wait ka lang.
You're losing.
Nakuha ko na yung technique.
You're losing.
Ayun na siya. I'm here, bitches. Come on, come on. Tada?
Nope.
Meron pa.
Oh, box pa.
Pop ka, nerd. Nalala lang pambili ng ganito. Yung parang plastic lang yung binibili ko. Tapos isa, ano, gano'n na agad yung...
Kita mo to? Yan,
Saan? Lahat?
Oo.
Lahat to?
Oo.
Oo, pag may laman sa'yo na. Ay, bigay mo na yung kay Isa ha.
Yung ano.
Yung bag na to. And color.
Sige, bagsak mo muna dun. Ayusin natin later. Okay, okay. Let's start.
Decluttering! Hoy! Marunong ako mamili! Fendi ko yan!
Gusto mo i-post na natin lahat, no?
Hoy!
Post ako eh.
Ewan ko nga ba't sila kumukuha, di ko mga pinapamigay. Mas malaki nga ito.
Pero ito, hindi.
Kasha.
Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi pa.
Ayan, kasha. Ay, oo nga.
Order
Malaki
din
nga
ako
ito,
pa.
pang lalaki nga.
Pang duck siya. Pang duck.
Yung ina, ano? Yung dito ng ano. Is.
So, yung mga papalinis.
Oo nga, tingnan mo. Nice, diba? Walang kanta siya sa pako, pero malas. Kasi hindi tayo magka-size. Ito, sakto sa akin yan. Ito na lang, pagpilian mo na lang. New Balance. Ito, basta may ibibigay ka sa akin.
Palinis ko na rin.
222, 21. Sabi mo dito, punta ka lang.
300 ata isa nito.
Ay. Ito yung pang ano ko to, soft. Tapos pwede siyang ano.
Itong mga chinelas sa baba.
Kasi 80,000 yan.
Oo nga. 8K yan eh. Sa kwarto na lang yan.
80K yan eh.
Sabi ni Isa.
Dito na.
Diyan na.
Yes.
So nice.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know.
Bakit? Kagalit? Kagalit? Ay,
Tagal na sa ano pa.
babae.
I was just
Ay, talagang pag-ano na pataas na ba?
Ayusin mo siya.
Ay, ikaw na mag-ayos. Ito naman naman. Ito naman, wala akong alam dyan.
Ay, boy, feeling ko makanta kasi nakahiga tayo. Oo nga.
Kasi nahulog to.
Wait na, ayun na. Wait lang! Kaya lang. Wait! Sabihin ko sa'yo kung saan gumawa. Ayan.
sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's
Pangit mo. Yan.
I was
Pag yan,
Tapos ayusin ko.
pag lumindo,
perfect.
mahal ka.
Run away